So here we are with our instrument cluster on the workbench. We can see we've got our indicators, turn indicators, we've got our fuel, our oil pressure indicator, our low voltage indicator, temperature, and speedometer, along with our odometer down in there. So pretty simple. There are multiple bezels and pieces to this. We're not going to take all of that apart, but this upper bezel kind of lifts off. You can see better from the back. Separates here and lifts off, and you've got your plastic dome, which you want to be extra careful with. After years and years, these tend to be very brittle, so be careful here. As we look at the back of the instrument cluster, this one has been wired for easy removal with some quick plugs, but you can see we've got our dash lights in here. We've got high beam indicator. We've got our speedometer drive gear. The square gear goes in, threads on here. We've got our sending unit wires, our indicator light wires, as well as our other sending unit over here. Our indicator bulbs for our turn signals will clip in here and here. And then the whole assembly, as we removed it, is held in with small clips like these, and basically once you insert this from top down, these go on here and cinch up against the dash itself. And for those, to retain those, basically we have just some small nuts that will go on. The studs out of this one, for thread reference, were 832s. Okay, so fine thread number 8 machine screws is what your thread size is there. All right, so here we are with the instrument assembly, placing it back into our dash. All right, so first we want to hook everything back up. So we'll have our electrical connectors